When it comes to using carbide burrs efficiently and safely, there are several key practices that can make all the difference. Carbide burrs are versatile rotary cutting tools, commonly used for shaping, smoothing, and removing material from metals, plastics, and even wood. However, to truly get the best results and extend the life of your tools, it's important to pay close attention to operating techniques and maintenance routines. Let's begin with speed control. The rotational speed, or RPM, at which you operate your burr is crucial. Each material you work with has its own optimal speed range. For softer materials like aluminum, running the burr at a lower speed is essential. If the speed is too high, aluminum tends to clog the flutes of the burr, which can dramatically reduce cutting efficiency and lead to overheating. On the other hand, when working with harder materials such as steel, a higher RPM allows the burr to slice cleanly through the material, resulting in smoother finishes and faster material removal. Always refer to manufacturer recommendations for RPM ranges, and remember that using the correct speed not only preserves your carbide burrs, but also improves the quality of your work. Next, let's consider pressure. It might be tempting to press down firmly to get through the task faster, but with carbide burrs, less is more. The cutting edges are designed to do the work for you. Applying light, consistent pressure allows the burr to maintain its sharpness and prevents unnecessary heat buildup. Excessive force can cause premature wear, dull the cutting edges, and even risk breaking the tool. By letting the burr do the cutting, you'll achieve cleaner results and extend the lifespan of your tools. Heat management is another critical aspect of efficient carbide burr operation. When working with metals, friction between the burr and the workpiece can produce significant heat. Overheating not only damages the burr, but can also affect the integrity of the material you're working on. To combat this, make use of lubricants such as cutting oils, or employ air cooling to dissipate heat. Cooling not only preserves the burr, but also helps prevent discoloration or warping of the workpiece. Keeping your carbide burrs clean is equally important. During use, debris and metal shavings can accumulate on the cutting edges, reducing their efficiency. Regular cleaning with a wire brush is recommended. By removing built-up debris, you maintain the sharpness of the burr and ensure smooth, precise cutting action. A clean burr also minimizes the risk of cross-contamination when switching between different materials. Of course, safety should never be overlooked. The high rotational speed of carbide burrs means that tiny shards and dust can be thrown into the air. Always wear protective gloves to shield your hands from accidental slips or sharp edges. Safety goggles are essential to protect your eyes from flying particles, while a dust mask guards against inhaling fine debris, especially when working with materials that create harmful dust. In summary, maximizing the efficiency and longevity of carbide burrs involves a combination of correct speed selection, gentle pressure application, proper cooling, diligent cleaning, and rigorous safety precautions. By integrating these operating tips into your workflow, you not only protect your investment in high-quality tools, but also ensure a safer, more productive, and more precise working environment. Whether you're a seasoned metalworker or a DIY enthusiast, these best practices will help you achieve optimal results every time you put your carbide burrs to use.